Now, everyone knows already that the clock here says, what time? Well done. It says 1 o'clock because we know when that minute hand points to the number 12, that is o'clock. Well, today we're going to learn what we call it when that minute hand points down to the bottom. Can you see it's moved down to the number 6? Now, we call this, when the clock is on number 6, when the minute hand is on number 6, we call that half past. Can you say that to me again? Half past. Your turn. Half past. Now, it's called half past because it is halfway round the clock. Brittany's already talked to you about how number 6 is half of 12, so we know that it's half. So we're going to say half past. Now, what I want to know is how many minutes we have to do to get to half past. I know that each one of these is a minute. So let's see if I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I'm getting bored of this. Let's do it a quick way and watch this fun video. Right, did you count all of those? 30, isn't it? So to get all the way down to number 6 at the bottom, we've got to count up to 30. So let's have a look at this. Let's go. Aha. So we know that this one is, because we start at the top and we go this way round. So this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Let me just write number 5 so I don't forget. And then we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Here we are, number 30. And that's really helpful because now we can use this to do our digital clocks. So when we go to the next screen, look, this has the number 30 in it. And this has the number 30 in it. We know what this is called now, don't we? When it has the number 30 at the end, we can call it half past. So with this clock here, we could say it two ways. We can say 4:30, or we can do it the other way and say, because we know 30 is half past, we can say half past 4. Great, well done. So now I want you to look at the one underneath, this one just here. There we go. And I want you to tell me, what time would we call this? There's two ways of saying it, remember. See if you can tell me both ways. I'll wait here a second whilst you do the answer. Have you done it? Okay, so first way, we can say 5:30. The time is 5:30. Or the other way, the good way, is to start with the number 30. And we know that 30 is half a minute, don't we? So we can say 5:30. Did you get that? So now, here's your challenge for today. I want you to go and ask your mummy or your daddy to go and write down some half past times like these over here. And you can get them to write them down like this. And I want you to tell your mummy and daddy what those times are. So, for example, our first one here is, this one here is 10:30 or 10:30. And then this one here is 7:30 or 7:30. I want you to be able to say it both ways. See if you can go right the way down the list that your mummy and daddy gives you. Then I want you to swap around, and I want you to listen to what your mummy and daddy say. If they say 8:30, I want you to write 8:30 in numbers just like this. And if they say 4:30, you got to write 4:30. So you might write it like this. You might go 4 dot dot, and then 30 is of course 30, which is a 3 and a 0. And you can do as many of those as your mummy and daddy would like to do. Okay, good luck working on your half past times, and I will see you in the next video.